Hi. I'm going to clean. I am going to clean today. It's not a lot, like I don't have a lot to do, but I'm gonna clean the toilet, or the bathroom too, so I got a whiteboard because I wanted one so I can just write things. Like when I do things I like to cross it over when I've done it. So I've done this. Cleaning time. My room, make my bed, spray clean, and blah 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 blah. So I'm going to, when I've done it. And I usually like to put on a timer too to see how quick I can do it. I don't know, I like to do that. I'm going to show you first what my room looks like, or at least a mess. As you can see, it's not that bad, but for me it is pretty bad. I don't even have a sheet there. Organize some things and stuff, so yeah. It is pretty folded already, but some things aren't, so I'm gonna redo it.
The one my heart has gone to Maine, I want to wait. Oh, tico, 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 tap. Tico, tick.
I'm going to vacuum clean. I'm not gonna film that because it's not fun to watch anyways.
I wish I was your girl. I wish I was your girl.
I'm going to clean in here now, just the toilet and organize and stuff, and then spray stuff. So So I've done pretty much everything. I just have Bunny left, her toilet, but I think I will end this video here because I just have that one left and it's not really anything fun to see. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. I love you, bye.